10 cents, $10 million. Just doesn't matter when a man's time comes.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I could give him a nicer service right here in Sparta than he could ever get out there in Chicago, and at half the price, too. I got a rosewood casket out there. Ted Eulum, Chief. We haven't had the pleasure.
That's for sure. He's with me.
No doubt.
Yeah. Well, you want to look at it?
New manicure, that's good. That's very good. I'll need a few things.
Such as?
Ammonium hydrosulfide, benzidine, superoxide of hydrogen, copper powder, distilled water, a 6-inch celluloid scale, thermometer, some tweezers, calipers, and some toothpicks.
Toothpicks? Carpet? What's going on here, Chief? Who is this boy, anyway?
I asked him to look at the body. That's who he is.
It's 4:45. What time was this man killed?
Well, Sam Wood found him on the street about 3 a.m. The doctor here says it's possible he was killed an hour earlier.
At 2?
Maybe a little later. 2:15, 2:30.
Would you feel the face and jaw, please? Am I mistaken, or has rigor begun?
Yes.
You'll notice, too, that post-mortem lividity is present here in the lower portion, so the time of death really has to be earlier, wouldn't you say?
Oh.
Well, we'll be able to pinpoint that as soon as I get a thermometer. As you know, the loss of heat from the brain is the most reliable way of determining time of death. Right, Chief?
Yeah.
Well, which one of you gentlemen will assist me?